We are writing a batch box. So how do you define a batch box? Global class database dot batch box. We have global database dot query located. Database dot batchable context. Then we are going to give return database dot get query located. Get query located. I'm getting the records here. Read source. Reading. Then I'm writing a execute method global void batchable context BC. Here I was taking one by one record. Lead L, scope, if L dot is source. I told L dot. Then I'm trying to update the data. Update void batchable context. Right. So what was this? It is going to fetch all the lead records. It is going to fetch all the lead records and check if the source equal to web, set the rating equal to wow. It is a batch mix. You want to test the batch mix. Whenever you want to test the batch mix, rules are going to be different. The reason is any asynchronous operation you want to test, any asynchronous operation you want to test, there is a different format of running the test class. Look at the format. First of all, if the batch has to run, there should be sample data. Unless there are records, batch will not run. So if you want to test whether it is running or not, first create a sample data. Because in the test class, it is not going to check the data in the database. Test class will consider that there is no data in the database. Okay, it's all empty. So we need to create a sample data and check whether the modifications are done or not. So what I am doing here, at the rate of is test. I can also write the test class with the keyword called. Now I am creating a sample data. A lot. This was equal to the. Then I have inserted. This is a sample data. We only created a sample data. If you want to run the batch, there should be data in the database. So we created a sample data. Then if you want to test any asynchronous operation, test dot start test. If you want to run any asynchronous operation, test dot start test. Test dot stop. Test dot start test. Test dot stop test. If you want any asynchronous operation to be tested, we have to write it test dot start test. Test dot stop test. Then create an object for the batch. Lead batch. So we told ID, job ID equal to database dot execute batch. Execute batch. LB. I give some size. So why I am writing within a test dot start test and stop test? Okay, stop test. When you are running asynchronous operation, there is a possibility of hitting the bounding limits in the test class. When you are testing asynchronous operations in the test class, there is a possibility of hitting the governing limits. If there is any governing limits issue that is coming in the test class, system will automatically add extra set of limit. Now, if it is throwing 151 DML exception, system automatically add one more 150 records. Then it becomes what? 300 DML limits. If you are getting a governing limits problem, system will automatically add what? Extra set of limit. If you execute the asynchronous operation within the test dot start test and stop test. If you write any code within this, if the code is throwing any governing limits problem, system will automatically resolve it by adding extra limits. Any code that is running within a test dot start test dot stop test, while running that code, if any governing limits problem is coming, system will automatically resolve it by adding extra set of limits. If you are writing any code within a test dot start test dot stop test, while running this code, if there is any governing limits problem that we are getting, automatically system will resolve this by adding what? Extra set of limits. While running this, we got too many software queries. System will solve by adding extra limits. Okay, more than 10,000 records, system will solve. We are not solving, system is solving automatically. Why? Because we have written within a test dot start test and a stop test. Now, after running this batch effects, what are the changes that we are expected? If the batch effects is running properly, the lead record rating should be what? 1. Am I right? Batch effects is running properly, the record whatever I inserted, that record rating should be what? 1. Batch effects fetch all the records whose lead source equal to web and update the rating equal to 1. Yes, I have a record whose lead source equal to web. Automatically what happens? Lead is equal to select rating from. Yeah, system dot equals leads dot. Your rating should be what? Rating should be what? If batch FX is running properly, it will fetch all the lead records and update the records whose lead source equal to web as hot. Now there is one record. So this record should be updated as what? Hot. Run it. Go back. Check the code coverage we have. But only the point is what? Any asynchronous operation that you are trying to test, that should be defined within a test dot start test and a test dot stop test. I hope you are clear with this.